Ever thought about starting a food truck business and wondered how to make a splash in your local community? Building positive relationships can be a game changer. This video is your guide to fostering those connections. Stay tuned for a step-by-step guide on building positive relationships in your local community. First things first, understand your local community. It's like knowing your best friend's favorite ice cream flavor. You're not going to offer them Rocky Road if they adore mint chocolate chip, right? The same goes for your food truck. Learn about local customs, popular hangouts, and most importantly, food preferences. Are they taco aficionados or burger connoisseurs? This isn't just about selling food, it's about becoming a part of the community fabric. Knowledge of your community will set the foundation for your relationships. Now that you know your community, it's time to engage. Dive into local events, be a familiar face. Let your food truck be a beacon of deliciousness at community gatherings, offering samples to lure new customers in. Listen to their feedback, it's gold. And don't forget about the power of social media. Engage online, share your journey, your daily specials, and respond to comments. This digital interaction is as crucial as the one on the street. Remember, engagement is the first step towards building relationships. Engagement done right leads to relationship building. It's quintessential to remain consistent in your quality and service. Consistency is the language of trust, and trust fosters relationships. Remember, it's not just about serving great food, but also about being approachable and friendly. A smile can often be more inviting than the aroma of your food. And don't forget about collaborations. Joining forces with other local businesses can lead to mutual growth. A positive relationship with your community can be your key to success. To recap, here's what you need to do. Understand the community you're serving, engage with them, build strong relationships. These 3 key steps will lay the foundation for your food truck success. With these steps, you are well on your way to creating a successful food truck business that is loved by your local community. Good luck!